Joseph here. And I'm turning into a dog. Nah, I'm just holding the camera. And this is my dog, our doggy little Shubs. Come on, Shubs. Okay, come on, Shubs.
I told you he was asleep.
Shubs.
Like I wanted to.
If you wake him up when he's like,
He will pee.
he will pee on someone. Don't wake him up when he's just a long sleep. He does pee. He looks kind of like our other dog, Cyrus, right? Bro, wake up! There he is. Okay, that's adorable dog.
He's used to the dark. Oh, he doesn't like the camera.
It's like,
No, thank you.
oh, you can't see him.
Oh, his butt is on my foot.
You can barely even see him. Look, where even is he?
Right there.
Look,
He stole my foot.
where is he?
He stole my
I
foot.
barely can see. Oh, there he is.
He stole my foot.
I see him right there.
He stole my foot, y'all.
Oh my gosh.
I have no more feet.
Look at that little guy. All you can see is
Go
his
show
butt.
him Cyrus.
Oh, and if you compare them together, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here.
He's in the bedroom. Go get him.
One sec, guys. I need to pause this video. See you guys in a sec, guys. I paused the video there. There's our chickens. See him like that. He's like sassy. He's like, how can I escape? He's like, no, this day's all my fault. I got stuck in here in the first place. It's like, no, you didn't. The person that bought us did. It's like I'm playing this in.
Afraid you're not gonna get your 100th straight win.
You need to go over here,
So
so.
you know what?
Go over here.
It's just fun to be here.
Go down. Bro. That's the end. Guys, I'm gonna show you. And here's our other dog, Cyrus. If you compare them together, they look the same.
Kinda. Except for this one ain't like a German Shepherd like he is. Which
Where
is
is
still on my feet.
He took, and this guy took over my bed before.
Okay, back it up.
He took over my bed.
That's
See that black?
also.
Look at his eyes.
And
Bug eyes.
and we're getting a new pup.
Yeah, we'll showcase it a little later.
No, we need a name for it.
Yeah, so put it.
Let me
It's
finish.
a girl.
Let me finish, okay, Joe? It is a Saint Bernard and a German Shepherd put together. So we need a name for it.
So put it down in the subscriptions, please.
Comments.
Comments, please. I don't know what it's called. I'm just a starter YouTuber.
Okay, so peace.
Okay, guys. That's my love. He has bug eyes. It's like you barely can see him. If I put my okay, guys.
I have to put him down.
Peace out. Bloosh.